In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create interactive dashboards with Claude 3.5 in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is a powerful workflow if you want to turn raw data into a clean interactive dashboard without building everything from scratch. Whether you're working with sales data, marketing reports, or business performance files, Claude can help you generate a dashboard artifact that's easy to review, refine, and use. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Claude and start a new chat. You want to begin with a fresh conversation, so Claude can focus entirely on the dashboard you're about to create. Starting from a new chat also helps keep the instructions clean and organized, which usually gives you better results. Next, make sure code execution and file creation is enabled in Settings under Capabilities. This part is important because Claude needs these tools enabled in order to generate an interactive dashboard artifact. If code execution or file creation is turned off, the dashboard may not render properly or Claude may not be able to create the output you need. So take a moment to double-check those settings before moving forward. Once that is enabled, upload your data file. This can be an Excel spreadsheet, a CSV file, or another supported data file that contains the information you want to visualize. For example, if you're working with sales data, upload a file that includes revenue, orders, product categories, regions, and dates. The better your data is organized, the easier it will be for Claude to create a useful dashboard. Now it's time to describe the dashboard you want to create. This is where you give Claude clear instructions about the layout, the metrics, and the visuals you want included. Be specific. Instead of just saying you want a dashboard, tell Claude exactly what insights you want to highlight. For example, you might want KPI cards at the top, a line chart for trends over time, a bar chart for category comparisons, and filters so users can explore the data interactively. Here's a strong example prompt you can use. Create an interactive sales dashboard from this Excel file. Include KPI cards for total revenue, total orders and average order value. Add monthly sales line charts, a product category bar chart, a regional sales map, filters for date and region, and a sortable data table. That kind of prompt works well because it gives Claude a clear goal, the data source, and the exact visual elements you want. You can also customize it based on your own use case. For example, if you're building a marketing dashboard, you could ask for traffic trends, conversion rates, campaign performance charts, and audience breakdowns. If it's a finance dashboard, you might want profit trends, expense summaries, and a table of transactions. After you send the prompt, wait while Claude generates the interactive dashboard artifact. Depending on the size of your file and the complexity of your request, this may take a little time. Claude will analyze the data and build the dashboard layout based on your instructions. This is where the magic happens, because instead of manually designing everything yourself, Claude helps create a working interactive version for you. Once the dashboard appears, review it carefully. Check whether the charts make sense, whether the metrics are accurate, and whether the filters are working the way you expected. If something looks missing or needs improvement, don't worry. You can simply ask Claude to refine it. For example, you might say, add a breakdown by product type, or make the date filter easier to use, or include a comparison chart for this year versus last year. You can also ask Claude to change colors, improve the layout, add more chart types, or make the dashboard more readable for your audience. This iterative process is one of the biggest advantages of using Claude 3.5, because you can keep refining the dashboard until it looks exactly the way you want. A good tip is to think like an analyst and not just a designer. Ask yourself what the most important numbers are, what trends matter most, and what someone would want to filter or sort. Then give Claude those instructions in plain language. The more specific you are, the better the dashboard usually turns out. Another helpful idea is to test the dashboard with real-world data and adjust based on what you see. If the dashboard feels too crowded, ask Claude to simplify it. If it feels too basic, ask for more visualizations. You can keep improving it in the same chat until it becomes a polished, interactive report. So to recap, the process is simple. Open Claude, start a new chat, enable code execution and file creation, upload your data file, describe the dashboard you want, wait for Claude to generate the artifact, and then refine it with additional charts, filters, and visualizations. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, you can create impressive dashboards very quickly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, and subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, workflow tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.